Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 1 would like to present about the statistic of student satisfaction on the facilities provided by UTHM. First, let me introduce my group members. Myself, Aimina Tasha. Second is Muhammad Kushairi, Akmal Rizal, Nur Aisyah, Nur Shafika Shahira, and lastly, Divya Kesavarash.
Place where quality students and future leaders, success entrepreneurs, professionals, scientists, and many other professionals are produced. It is a place where students gain their knowledge and get training for their future career. The facilities provided by the university is one of the biggest factors to use success of their students. This is because it is directly related to the student satisfaction. Student satisfaction has become a very essential factor for university. Consequently, the university must address the issue of students' satisfaction in terms of level of services provided in its marketing. Any university's goal is to increase student satisfaction and decrease student dissatisfaction in order to raise the institution's overall performance. Getting student input, comments, concerns, or objection as a customer can help the university enhance the services it offers. This survey is being conducted to ascertain the degree of satisfaction among UTHM students with regard to the facilities offered, such as the athletic facilities, accommodation, campus bus, transportation, and many more.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sharin and I will be presenting my part. Theoretically, the better the facilities of the university, the better the satisfaction will be given to the students. Positive comments and gratitude will be given with some ideas to improve the facilities. This will bring better relationship between both students and the university staff while boosting the university's reputation at best. We can also deduce that the opposite is true. If the facilities are not up to par with the expectation, students will leave complaints and unsavory comments. As this all in theory, we need to conduct a method on satisfaction of students about the city's facilities overall. And as we see it down here, for students accommodation, our first hypothesis is that the students do not enjoy the accommodations due to the lack of facilities, and of H1, students do enjoy their accommodation due to sufficient facilities. And we also have here for the cafeteria, students who do not enjoy the cafeteria due to lack of facilities, and H1, the students who enjoy the cafeteria due to sufficient facilities. Medical facility, H0, students who do not enjoy the facility due to lack of service or other problems. H1, students who do enjoy the facilities due to good service and friendly. And then we have library, which the students who do, H0, students who do not enjoy the library due to lack of facilities. H1, to students who enjoy the library due to sufficient facilities. And lastly, we have Wi-Fi facility, and that is all from me.
Okay, next for the methodology part, the survey research study method was employed and Google Form and Excel was used to collect data and analyze data from students randomly. The Google Form included three parts and 20 questions. For the first part, part A, was regarding students' personal details. The second part is part B, which contains multiple choice questions to survey the student satisfaction on the facilities provided by UTHM, such as sports facilities, cafeteria, bus stop, and etc. And the last part is part C, the opinion from respondents that university facilities can be improved. The area of study is Faculty of Computer Science and Information Technology at University Tun Musim Malaysia. Participants were 52 university students enrolled in various years at University Tun Musim Malaysia that were randomly picked by our group. The participants various faculty, which is FSTM, the major, which is 28.8%, FKEE 19.2%, FKNP and FPTV got the 10%, which is 17.3%, FKAV 11.3%, and last FPTF 8.8%. And 51.8% of the participants were females and 48.1% were males. A majority of the students, 53.9%, 0.8% will be between 21 to 33 years of age. Okay, this is our flowchart. We begin at the start, follow the discussion with school member, create the question, and distribute question, and then collect answer from survey, and then key in data using Google Form, then transfer data to Excel, and make report based on data in Google Form, and then report submission and presentation. And last, stop.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuraisha binti Ilyas. My metric number is AI210213. Today, I want to present the results part, which is the data preparation part. Okay, so for the gender that we have been collected, which is the gender of respondents, there are 27 respondents female, which is 51.9%, and for male we have collected 25 respondents, which is 48.1% for male.
Okay, for results from where the respondents, from where faculty the respondents are. So the majority respondents are from FSKTM faculty, and which is 15 respondents, and the second largest are FKEE, which is 10 respondents, and the smallest respondents from faculty FPTP. Okay, that's it. And for the results for age, so for age, the majority of range of age of respondents are from 21 until 23 years old, which is 28 respondents have been collected, and the smallest respondents, the smallest range years old are 27 until 28 years old, which is only 2 respondents.
And now we go to descriptive data. Okay, so for results for gender, the mean is 26, and the standard error is 1, and median is 26, and mode is none because we only have 2, which is male and female, and then standard deviation is 1.414, sample variance is 2. And for faculty, we the mean is 8.97. The mean is 8.67, and the standard error is 1.6465, and the median is 9, and mode also 9, and standard deviation is 4.033196. And the results for age is mean equals to 13, standard error is 5.492, median is 11, mode is none, and standard deviation is 10.98484, and the sample variance is 120.6667. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will explain about the result of normality analysis. The result for booking sport facilities, to get the z-value, we need to divide the value of its standard error with its statistics. The value can be obtained from the SPSS software when we key in our data. So, for female, the z-value of skewness is negative 0.0402, and the z-value for kurtosis is negative 0.8830. Meanwhile, for male, the z-value of skewness is 1.2069, and the kurtosis is negative 0.7916. At the right side, we can see the histogram and the normal plot graph of the result. Another sample is result of satisfaction on toilet facilities. For female, the z-value of skewness is negative 0.2835 and the z-value of kurtosis is negative 0.3979. And for male, the z-value of skewness is negative 1.4957 and the z-value of the kurtosis is negative 0.3226. And our last sample result is satisfaction on laundry facilities. For female, the z-value of skewness is 0.4978 and the z-value of kurtosis is 0.5206. And for male, the z-value of skewness is negative 0.4655 and the z-value of kurtosis is negative 1.2084. Next, I will pass the presentation to my other members.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmaliza bin Zaharuddin, number metric AI 210267, and I'm going to talk about linear regression of satisfactory. So generally, the vote varies from 1 being the most satisfied and 5 being most dissatisfied. So as you can see on this graph, you can see that we have a negative correlation graph with relationship is y equal to negative 0.9x. Next, okay, as you can see, most of the vote being on the satisfied and least being on dissatisfied, making a negative correlation. Negative correlation mean that the relationship between the vote satisfaction are going downward in the graph. So as you can see on this graph, which it is going downward, which making the relationship of y equal to negative 3x. Okay, next. However, on this graph, for this particular graph, for this relation is going upward, meaning that the most of the vote being dissatisfied and least being satisfied, making a positive correlation. So we have the relationship of y equal to negative 2.7x. Okay, that is all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, the main finding of this study is that students' level of satisfaction in on-campus residence halls varied significantly among the students in the 3 hostels the study looked at. The study's findings suggest that the rental costs, living costs, internet access, the number of students per room, the quality of the laundry, the level of mosquito protection, and on-campus parking are the most crucial variables that affect student satisfaction with their hostels, followed somewhat by bus transportation on campus. The university administration should take the study's conclusion into account as they work to raise the standard of its dorms. Data from residential college students who were regarded as key contributors to the study's uniqueness were used to identify the most important factors when determining how to improve from the weak service and the lower levels of satisfaction as they relate to public universities. That's all from us. Thank you.